Okay, Phil's back again today with another recipe. So we're building up a real repertoire now of recipes. I don't know if you saw my last video, I did a quick protein pancakes recipe, so that's the last one I loaded. Phil's also done his chorizo and cod stew, he's done paella, and then if you look way back, we did like a replacement breakfast shake with coffee and protein. So we've done tons of recipes now, but today Phil has done a sumptuous steak dinner. So apparently this is one of his favourite cheap meals, so he's decided to put that together today for you. So hope you enjoy. It's really simple, although there's a few ingredients, he's kept it pretty simple, so I hope you enjoy.
Right, for today's recipe I'm going to take you through one of my favourite cheat meals, which is a good old-fashioned steak. But steak by itself, everyone knows how to do it, it's a bit boring, so I'm going to make a bit of a dressing to go with it, using onion, garlic, frozen coriander, parsley, oregano, red wine vinegar, olive oil and a bit of salt. I'm going to make chimichurri, which is, it's like South American pesto, I guess. It comes from Argentina. It's dead easy, dead simple to make, and I'll just get cracking on with that. We have got a handful of chopped parsley, 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander, a couple of teaspoons of dried oregano, finely chopped 1 shallot. With the garlic clove, I grated it, so I need to add them in, stir it round, and then a couple of tablespoons of olive oil and tablespoon and a half of red wine vinegar. Let's see what it looks like. Right, that's it with the olive oil and red wine vinegar added. If you want it to be a bit runnier, obviously put a little bit more oil and a little bit more red wine vinegar in there. I think I've got about 4 of these spoons worth of oil and 2 of them worth of 3 of the red wine vinegar. Good thing about this, you can use it as a sauce with steak, or you can use it as a marinade. So obviously that's going to be way too much just for one person. So what I can do, I'm just going to leave it to one side in the fridge. Maybe use it with another steak. You can use it with chicken as well, just to give it a little bit more flavour. All right, but that's chimichurri. Right, so that's your steak. All I've done to it is, they normally come in like vacuum packages. Take them out of there, leave it for about 15-20 minutes, half an hour, pat it dry with kitchen paper, and then just season with salt. And rather than putting oil in the pan, I just tend to put a little bit of olive oil or sunflower oil either side of the steak. I need to get that pan nice and hot before we put that in there, and then cook it, depends how you want it, medium rare, maybe a couple of minutes either side, medium, 2.5 minutes, well done, you're probably looking at 3 to 4 minutes either side. And there we go, just leave it sizzling. I like my medium rare, so I'm going to do it a couple of minutes each side, set my timer up, you can see it at the bottom, so I'll do a minute, flip it, a minute, flip it, a minute, flip it, a minute, and then it'll be done. You need to leave it to rest for a couple of minutes, and then serve it up. Time to flip it. Oh, that looks nice. That looks nice. And that's the finished product. Nice little char on that steak, some oven chips to go with it, a few peas and sweet corn, and then a spoonful of your chimichurri on top of there. And remember with this, all I did, 1 shallot, clove of garlic, chop them up, put them in, a couple of teaspoons of dried oregano, a couple of tablespoons of fresh parsley and fresh coriander, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, and a little bit of, I put a bit of chilli in there as well, just because I'm a bit of a fiend for spice. And all you do is just mix it up, leave it for 10 minutes, so, you know, make it before your steak. By the time your steak and everything else is done, that'll have had enough time to marinate together, and then just smother a bit on top of the steak or have it separately. And you can also use it as a marinade for your other meats. But that's it for today. I'm going to go absolutely devour that. Give it a try and let me know how you get on and what you think to it. Thank you.
Phil's a sumptuous steak dinner with chimichurri, I think chimichurri, who knows, sounds like something out of a Sound of Music or something anyway. But yes, looked absolutely fabulous once it was plated up at the end there. So treat yourself, get yourself a lovely steak dinner this weekend, and it looks fab. So yeah, and as I said at the beginning, remember to go back now. We've got a real catalogue of recipes up there. Also remember we did the anabolic chicken and we did a breakfast burrito. And Phil recently did a vegetarian breakfast, so that looked really tasty as well. So there's something out there for everybody. So that's us for today. We've still got another couple of videos coming up for you, which we've already prepared. Phil's got a running one he's preparing for you, and I'm doing something arm related. Would you expect any less from me? So it was like an arm workout, biceps and triceps, so look out for that as well. Remember to subscribe, guys, and we are like a broken record, but please, we really want to spread the word out to as many people as possible. So like, subscribe and ring the bell to get notifications, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks again. Bye-bye.